Hello guys, this is Manzil and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. तो टाइटल देख के पता चल गया ही होगा कहाँ जा रहा हूँ मैं आज। प्रॉब्लम यही है कि रेन हो रही, मतलब बारिश हो रही है, थोड़ी बारिश भी नहीं, ड्रिजल टाइप की हो रही है। तो फट से रेडी होके निकलता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ऑलरेडी लेट हो चुका है। अभी 7:10 हो चुका है शायद। तो मेरा प्लान था 6:30 को निकलने के लिए, लेकिन अभी रेन की वजह से थोड़ा लेट तो हो रहा है और दोस्त लोग भी वेट करने के लिए बोल रहे थे। सो आई गेस I'll get ready and see you guys on the bike. I actually bought some stuff for the street dogs, so इनको भी दे देता हूँ थोड़ी। इला ला I don't want to reveal my password, but the Face ID doesn't really work when I'm wearing a helmet. These guys. I'm gonna change the password though. 7:30 बजे बोला को तिमीहरुलाई 7:30 बजे बोलाको यही हो त जुम ढिलो भइसक्यो 7:45. Hello. I don't think I need a Google map because these guys know the route, and he's taking me to some new route, I guess. Zoom pala tail varum na, tail chaina. See, the guy has put his camera inside the helmet. He wants to start vlogging as well. But then his camera hasn't come yet, so he is doing it with the phone inside his helmet. This is what we call jugaad. I don't know if I'm audible, and I don't know if the camera is clear. I need to keep wiping the camera lens, because the other day I had to cut down a lot of footage because of the water droplets on the camera lens. And also the best thing about going along with this guy is he has a charging port in his bike, so that I can charge my camera in the middle, because the other day the camera died in the middle of nowhere, so I couldn't capture the whole thing, and also I had to capture with the phone, and it wasn't up to my expectation. So let's see how it goes today. It already started raining, but I'm not wet. I'm wearing a raincoat. The only thing is my hands and my foot, those are the only spot that is wet right now, so that doesn't really matter. So Mirik is left, Bagdogra and Siliguri is right, Naxal, Bari, Pani Tanki, so I need to take left. huge forest on my right and a straight highway, well maintained. This is way to Mirik. And the main thing is, I want to thank each and everyone who supported me and showed love in my previous video. I'll be getting more content and also learning a lot. There's a lot to learn, that is so obvious. And also this is just a process, you know, there is a lot more to go. I just want you guys to keep supporting me like the way you guys have been supporting me. It's not like I don't like these kind of roads. It gives adventurous kind of feeling, but then this bike is not suitable for all these kind of roads. It makes you really tired if you keep on riding on these kind of roads. It's a cafe racer, so you need to bend a lot. I was thinking of actually riding a classic, Royal Enfield Classic, but then the paperwork are not complete, so I couldn't take it. But this is also fine. So that is the one I was talking about. I love Mirik, but I wanted to take picture over here, but there is a car parked over there, so this is probably the first view I could show you guys. यो रास्ता आएको हामी कि कुन हो?
हामी उतै रस्ता
उतै बस आउँदै गरेको होला नि त,
त्यहाँबाट जम्मै रस्ता आएको हो,
सबै होला नि त।
उतै चाहिँ तल गाउँ छ।
कसको कार हो यो, हटाइदिँदा हुँदैन नि? न भरे आउँदा पनि खिच्दा हुन्छ नि त, हुन त
राखी त राखेको छ हुन्छ होला,
भरे आउँदा चाहिँ भएन छ भने चाहिँ
फोनले पनि गर्ने बेला हो मेरो।
This is the kind of view I was looking for. It's not clear, but then it's not that much, you know, foggy as well over here. So as always, GoPro charge is very low, so I had to keep it. I had to save the charge for some places as well, so I couldn't help but turn it on because of this. It looks really beautiful. Also one of the view I came across, I don't know if you guys can see it. This is it. There's a river over there. it is. It looks beautiful actually from up here. Left or right? I need to wait for my friend. I'm not sure he's gonna like it. Hila, hi.
Hello.
Kha. Is he gonna eat it? What the? Huh? No. He likes it. Hila, Aija. So finally, this guy is liking me.
He's very hungry, I guess. My friend is still on the way, they still haven't reached her. Come.
Whoa, this place is really beautiful. मतलब मैं सोच रहा था इतना सीनिक जगह तो है नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है. Is this Miri? I think so. Because this is looks like it. Looks like I have reached Miri, but I'm not sure. यो चाहिँ के बजार हो? होइन होला. This place is also beautiful. Is this a lake? Looks really nice. There's a bridge over there, and I think this is where my friend wanted us to come. This is actually a park. There's nothing much to show, but I think there's a place over here to walk. But next time I'm only vlogging if I get my GoPro extra battery. Otherwise it just ruins everything. It just ruins the whole mood. You reach at the place you wanted to visit, and then GoPro dies. This is really annoying. And this is the bridge I was talking about in the video, I guess. And there's a lake. There are some trees. There's nothing much over here. यस्तो भोक लागेछ नि मलाई. मिठो हो.
बाहिरतिर त कस्तो नि उयो नि के पो भन्छ
This is not going to fill my stomach as well.
आटाले बुनेर के आफै गर्छु नि. आटाले बुनेर आफै उयो गर्छु नि.
यतिले त म अगाउँदिन, मलाई एकदम थाहा छ. So we had thukpa and momos over here. Durga Hotel and Restaurant. The thukpa was quite nice. So this is the view. This is where we had our breakfast. Huh? There are fishes over here, so I'm gonna have to. I want to feed them actually. That's a lot of fishes. These guys actually know we are about to feed them, I guess, because once you come to this place, they start looking at you. Mureji? सबै भिजेर हेर्नु यो भिजेको छ होला आन्टी पानीले पर्स पुरा भिज्यो कि ल हुन्छ हुन्छ अर्को पैसाको होला हौ त्यो सुक्छ सुक्न त के यस्तो कति ज्यादा प्रोटिन छ थाहा छ मतलब यहाँ बल्छीहरू थाप्न पाइँदैन यो यहीँ अब यो गभर्मेन्टको यतिकै यो यहीँ मर्छ यहीँ बाँच्छ यही हो I wanted to go to monastery over here because I came to Mirik probably 10 years or 12 years ago, and I remember going. You left Ola. I remember going to a monastery with my mom and dad. So we were just about to. The monastery कतादेखि जान्छ यतादेखि हो thanks. This is not the monastery I was talking about. That monastery was really big and also it had a lot of history. So video recording is strictly prohibited. मेरो भइरहेछ Bokar Gedonchok Jakhor Ling Institute. I don't know if I pronounced it right. Since we are not allowed to enter, I guess this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and also please be honest in the comment section to let me know where I went wrong and what I should have done instead of what I did, and also let me know where I should visit next, because you guys know where I'm from and you guys might know the neighboring places where I can visit. Just a beginner, learning a lot. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Take care.